It's your friend Kurt here, and I'm on a mission to read about the state birds from all 50 states. Idaho's state bird, the mountain bluebird, is fairly common. The sky blue plumage of the male is diagnostic. The female can be recognized by its gray breast, and both sexes have a less hunched posture than the eastern and western bluebirds. As its name implies, it is typical of high elevations, being most common above 5,000 feet. Leave a comment and let me know what state bird I should read about next.